Alright guys, it's been a week since the lockdown has been eased and we bikers are finally allowed to venture out. So I'm looking forward to going on short solo rides, and keeping that in mind, I decided to give my motorcycle a post-lockdown wash yesterday. So folks, here I have just washed my motorcycle and it looks all clean and shiny, but there is something that says that no, it may be a clean and well-maintained motorcycle, but it's definitely not brand new. Something is missing. Can you take a guess what that is? Absolutely right. It's the engine portion, my friends. That big beautiful crankcase that has oxidized over time, that makes the whole motorcycle look somewhat old and rather dull. And I am going to fix that today. First and most obvious thing to do is wash your engine and crankcase. Give it a good wash with soap and water. You can use a brush or alternatively a cloth to do this job, and then wipe dry with a clean microfiber. Now that you've got all that grime off, apply a fine grit rubbing compound, like you can use something like a 3M rubbing compound, or as I'm using for this project here, the Royal Enfield Essentials metal polish. Apply this to the crankcase with your fingers in a circular motion. And make sure you work small portions at a time, because if you apply the solution on the whole crankcase and then start working, I guess you'll be frustrated in the middle of the job and leave the job without completing it. And what I've seen with this particular product is that you don't have to wait for it to dry out before you can start buffing. Immediately after applying the paste, start buffing with a clean cotton cloth. So this is the part where you have to put in maximum amount of labor. Keep buffing in a circular and then in linear motion unless you get the desired shine. And remember, the more you buff, the better the results will be. And believe me guys, after the job is done, you will be glad that you've put in that much of effort, because it's gonna be really worth it. And now here the engine casings are back to their original glory. So this is about it. Now you can just give the engine casings another final wipe with the clean microfiber in case there is still some rubbing compound sticking to the surface. Yeah, now the engine casings look brand new. Now if you're wondering how you can keep the shine permanently, the simple answer is you can't. You will have to repeat the process again and again. All bare metal, either pure or alloyed, it will get oxidized over time and will demand some amount of maintenance from time to time to look good again. And I mean, with a motorcycle this good looking, why not dedicate some time to it? It will surely be rewarding. What do you think? Alright, so that's it. Now you can just take the motorcycle out for a short spin, and hey, don't forget to park the motorcycle in a good spot and just count the number of people who stop to admire this beautiful machine. So signing off, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this, and don't forget to share and comment. Thank you guys. Ride safe.